Hello, welcome to how to solve this very nice exponential equation. X is equal to square root of x to the power square root of x, and we need to find all possible values of x. X is equal to, according to this property, square root of a is equal to a to the power 1 over 2. We can write this square root of x as x to the power 1 over 2 whole to the power this power square root of x. Next, x is equal to, according to property of exponents, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m times n. We multiply this power 1 over 2 by this power square root of x. X to the power 1 over 2 times square root of x square root of x over 2. Now from here we can solve it by common log or by natural log. For now we will solve it by natural log. Next we take a natural log of both sides. ln of x is equal to ln of x to the power square root of x over 2. Next, ln of x is equal to, now according to natural log property, ln of a to the power m is equal to m times ln of a. This power square root of x over 2 will drop here, like this, square root of x over 2 times ln of x. Next, we move this square root of x over 2 times ln of x to the left side. ln of x, this positive square root of x over 2 times ln of x becomes negative square root of x over 2 times ln of x is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this ln of x is a common factor. So we factor out this ln of x. ln of x as a common factor, and in bracket left, from here 1 minus, and from here square root of x over 2 is equal to 0. Now from here, either this expression ln of x is equal to 0, or this expression 1 minus square root of x over 2 is equal to 0. Now because the base of natural log is e, so we introduce base e to both sides, like this, e to the power ln of x is equal to e to the power 0. Now according to this natural log property, e to the power ln of a is equal to a. So this e to the power ln of x, this e to the power ln of x is equal to x. So at the left side left, x is equal to e to the power 0 is 1. This is the first value of x. Now to find the other value of x, we solve this equation. In this equation we move this negative square root of x over 2 to the right side. 1 is equal to, this negative square root of x over 2 becomes positive square root of x over 2. and from here we multiply both sides of this equation by 2. So 2 times 1, 2 is equal to, this 2 will be cancelled with this 2, and at the right side left, square root of x. Now we write this square root of x to the left side and this 2 to the right side. Square root of x is equal to 2, and from here we take square of both sides, and this square will be cancelled with this square root, and at the left side left, x is equal to, square of 2 is 4. This is the second value of x. Now let's verify these values of x by putting these values in the original equation. The original equation is x is equal to square root of x to the power square root of x. In this equation, first we put this value of x 1. 1 is equal to square root of 1 to the power square root of 1, and 1 is equal to, square root of 1 is 1 to the power square root of this 1 is 1, and 1 is equal to 1 to the power 1 is 1. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that this value of x 1 is correct. Now in this equation we put the value of x to 4. 4 is equal to square root of 4 to the power square root of 4, and 4 is equal to, square root of this 4 is 2 to the power square root of this 4 is 2, and 4 is equal to, square of 2 is 4. You can see that left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So it is proved that this value of x 4 is correct. So we have got two solutions of this equation. X1 is 1 and x2 is 4.